I'm reconsidering doing my bed right now because I want to vacuum. My dogs have been outside and I don't want to throw my clean bed pillows on the floor because I can see the dogs have tracked in dirt from outside.
Taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that
at the beginning of this video, I walked you guys around the house talking to you, telling you everything that I was going to do today, showing you all of the messes that I was going to try to clean up during this video, but I didn't like that. Talking directly to the camera is not something that I'm used to doing. I'm going to try to do it a little bit more just because I feel like, I don't know, just because I want to, but just not today.
that makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
Now I can throw my pillows on the floor.
I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well. I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be.
Tag, bottom left. You'll never put your sheets on the wrong way if you always look for this tag and you put the tag bottom left.
Looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every.
Tag, bottom left.
I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of.
What is your favorite part of watching cleaning videos? For me, it's the dishwashing. I don't care if it's sped up. I don't care if it's super fast like this is, but I like watching people wash dishes. I always speed up my bed footage because that's my least favorite, so I just assume all of my followers don't like it either. So I make it really fast because I think that's more satisfying to see the progress. Other than tidying up my room, one of the projects that I have to do today is to swap out this bench. I got a new one for Christmas. I actually have a funny story about that I'll tell you in a minute. But first I have to empty it out. Dog toy. Another dog toy. Oh, a Lazy Susan. Another dog toy. I get a monthly subscription of the Bully Make box and I changed it to quarterly, and I bet they had too many toys and I took one of their boxes and just emptied it in here. But I have another one on the way actually.
I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
My husband bought this bench for me for Christmas, and it originally arrived a few days before Christmas, but it was not the size box that you see here. It was just as tall, but it was very narrow, very thin, and I just knew it wasn't the bench, but he kept telling me, wait till Christmas, wait till Christmas. Because I was probably going to need to return this package, I decided to go ahead and open it, and what was inside was actually a solar panel. I feel bad for whoever that solar panel was meant for because the box was pretty damaged when it got here. So if I had actually ordered a solar panel, it would have been returned anyway because the box was so damaged. There's no way it would have worked. The bench was made by Christopher Knight. You've probably seen his stuff on Amazon. He's a mid-century modern furniture designer. Christopher Knight is from the Brady Bunch. I believe he was the middle one. Peter, that was his name. Peter Brady is Christopher Knight.
We're magic, you and I. They call us red.
When I moved this bench into my room, I immediately realized it is a lot shorter than the other one. Not short enough that it looks weird, it just looks different. It's not what I'm used to.
Let's dance our problems away in the night.
I mean, it's fine. It's totally fine.
You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming.
The second thing I immediately noticed was when I was putting all of the same stuff I took out of the old one back into the new one. This one is much deeper than the other one, so it can hold more stuff. And also, the top stays up. On the other one, which is probably about 15 years old anyway. The top didn't stay up, so I would have to hold it to stay open. I immediately love how it looks in my room. I think it's absolutely beautiful. 10 out of 10 recommend if you're looking for a new bench, and it's super affordable.
Now I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love.
I'm hauling this one outside because my trash is coming on Monday. They'll pick it up from my front yard. I'm taking the old legs off because I realize they are identical to the legs on the new one, but they're just a little bit taller.
We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Live on forever. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks.
For anyone who's keeping track, my black doors are holding up very nicely, especially this one here that goes from the kitchen to the laundry room. It of course gets beat up the most, and it is scratch free. There are some imperfections down in the bottom corner, but that's because of foundation issues. When the winter and summer months change, my door jambs change, and so the bottom of that door, the little corner, was dragging on the door jamb and it wasn't closing properly. So some of the paint got rubbed off from that, but all of the pushing and pulling and scratching and the toddler that I have that draws on it with chalk, all of my black doors are still in nearly perfect condition, and it's been over a year now since I painted them the correct way. It's been several weeks since I took down my Christmas decorations, but this container of wrapping paper has sat here because when I put the Christmas decorations away, this would normally go underneath of the Christmas tree, but I had forgotten this over here in this corner. So the Christmas tree is already up in the storage area that it goes in, and I recently fell and have a popped rib. So I can't lift anything super heavy. As I'm saying that, I'm carrying heavy boxes and dragging things. I can't do it very easily. Not without pain. I mean, I still do it, but anyway, I can't lift the tree to move it to get this underneath the tree. So I'm just going to drag it out to the garage and let my husband take care of that another day.
Getting that out of the zone on my own, but you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
Do you guys keep cards, greeting cards, birthday cards, anniversary, Valentine's Day, any cards you get? Do you keep them from people? I personally don't. I get a card, I keep it for a couple of days after whatever the reason was I got it, and then it goes in the trash. Like, seriously, why? Why are we keeping a pad of paper that has scribbles from what was probably my 2 or 3 year old granddaughter who's now 15? I have actual artwork that she did when she was 2 or 3. It's framed and hanging on my walls. I don't need notepads with scribbles on them. Sorry, Mariah.
In your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
I was laughing at myself when I was watching this playback, how I'm doing the cabinet behind me, the cabinet in front of me. I'm putting everything on the countertops. Looks like I have like 15 arms going all over the place. I actually need 15 arms going all over the place. I just thought it was funny.
Not long go. You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes.
These leggings that I'm wearing are some of my favorites. They have little Buc-ee's all over them. I got them at a Buc-ee's on the way to one of my cruises that I went on last year. And so my friend Sandra that I went on the first cruise with, she and I got matching leggings. And then when my granddaughter saw them, she loved them. So we stopped on the way to my second cruise and got some more. And in the state of Texas, we have a lot of Buc-ee's all over the place. There aren't any close by, so I always have to stop at them whenever I'm traveling. But if you've ever been to a Buc-ee's, you already know. And if you haven't been to a Buc-ee's, I definitely recommend you at least stop in one and try some beaver nuggets, get some gas. Definitely use the bathroom at a Buc-ee's. They're worth stopping for.
Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
About a week or so ago, I put my pots and pans, well, just these two pans specifically, in the dishwasher, and they have some like white film from the dishwasher on them, so I'm going to use my pink stuff here to get that film off. And of course, I'm not going to wash them in the dishwasher again. I never do that. I don't know why I put them in there. Probably because it wasn't full and I just was like, oh, I'll throw these in there. But I never put my pots and pans in the dishwasher, and this is one of the reasons why. I should have known better.
Just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, brave.
I was looking at my YouTube analytics last week, and it said 90% of the people who viewed my video last week were new viewers. They were not subscribed. So if you're one of those people and you're back again, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment below to say hello.
Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them.
This is my last project for today, and what I'm doing here is cutting up some wax. And I take different wax scents and I put them in the same container because I don't like having the same scent every day, day in and day out. So I mix a couple of them together, and whenever I use my little scoop to put it in my wax melt, I can also control how much of a scent I want. So if I just want a little bit of a scent, or if I want a strong scent, I can just scoop out a little bit or a lot. And then I also take the ones that have a heavy scent and I cut those pieces up a lot smaller than the other pieces because I don't want as many of those in my little scoop because they'll overpower the other scents. That lemon basil that you just saw me pop up on the screen, that's one of my favorite, and the orange buttercream, those are two of my favorites. Also, if you notice, whenever I'm cutting them up, I'm putting them in glass jars. You can't keep them in plastic bags like a little Ziploc because they'll lose their scent. So when you keep them or store them, keep them in the original container because that's, I don't know, a different kind of plastic and it doesn't lose the scent, or put them in glass jars like I am here. And I just got these at Dollar Tree. I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I got everything done that I wanted to do. And oh, I even took the legs. You saw me take the legs off of the other bench that I was throwing out. I did take those legs off and they fit on the new bench, so it raised it up higher and now it's perfect. I love the bench. I love it like down low like that, but I also just wanted it a little bit higher, so the old legs, perfect. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.